Hello, good people. I hope you all are doing well. Today I will show you how to create Google Keyword Planner account. This Google Keyword Planner account will help us to get success in YouTube as well as blogging platform. We need low competition keywords and earn more dollars. So I think this is the best platform and it is Google based site. So without a further ado, let's get started. Go to Google Chrome and type ads.google.com and enter. Now we will select Start Now and log into our any Gmail account. Now we are inside the website. From here we will select Switch to Expert Mode and continue further. In this page, lots of options are here, but we will select Create an account without campaign. In this page, no need to change anything, just select Continue. Boom! That's it, your account has been created. Now select New Campaign. Now in this page, we will click Tools and Settings. Now look for Keyword Planner and click. Now select Discover New Keywords. Now I will show you how does it work. I will show you a sample. I will write motivation and click Get Result. You can also change country. I will show you later on. As you can see the result. Now I will choose other country like USA, Canada, Australia, etc. etc. Okay guys, that is it for today. I hope you like my video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.